Hello there and welcome to Legal Break. I'm Maureen Akers and with us today is Gary Bruce of the Law Offices of Gary Bruce. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Good to be here again.
Yes, every Wednesday. We are so glad to have you and we have great questions and some of these are coming in from some of our viewers and such. We've got one. It's that time of year. It's almost New Year's. It's time for fireworks. A lot of people do that, shoot them off as a celebration. So what are some of the, I guess, could there be injuries and are there some legalities as far as that? Yeah.
You know, the fireworks world has kind of loosened up over the last few years. Georgia now kind of allows anybody over 18 to buy fireworks. Alabama, you only have to be over 16, I think. It doesn't really say who can shoot them off, but who gets hurt is 16 and under. That's who gets hurt.
Yeah. And
the surprising thing is, what do they get hurt with? You'd think it'd be the M80s or some of the violent things. It's the sparklers.
Oh, really? The smaller ones then,
60% of all firework injuries are sparklers. They burn at over 2,000 degrees.
Wow.
So small kids get burned by them all the time. They really are pretty dangerous, I think.
Well, so who is liable, Gary? You know, a lot of people may have that question. Would it be the homeowner? Maybe you've invited friends over to shoot off the fireworks, or the business owner that sold you the fireworks? Where does some of that, if somebody does get injured, come into play?
You know, 90% of fireworks are made in China. So good luck getting the manufacturer. But most injuries occur as a result of misuse, not of malfunction. So something may fly wrong, you know, somebody might shoot a bottle rocket at somebody. Injuries are generally burns into the eyes and face. But who's responsible? It comes down to that same thing as always. And it's, did I know or should have known there was a problem or potential problem? And that's what we measure, kind of, it's notice. Do I let my 6-year-old have a bottle rocket? No, don't do that. You know, that's dumb. And that's just kind of setting up what you know may be a problem. So,
yeah, or even a sparkler, now that we know that they can be pretty dangerous too.
Absolutely.
So is there a legal amount of fireworks or an illegal amount that you can or can't buy?
I don't know that. I do know that let's be careful, you know. And there are some places you can't fire them off. You can't, and I've got a list, near a hospital, near a nursing home or a prison, or obviously a gas station. So you got to be aware of where you are, what you're doing. Don't cause a fire hazard. That's another problem. You know, we're not so dry now, but certainly it was an issue earlier this year.
It was, yeah.
So, you know, be careful, be safe, be supervised, and make sure you know what's going on. And this is the last thing I learned. 1 o'clock is the cutoff. So don't shoot them off after 1 o'clock. No excuse for that.
There you go. Thank you so very much. Have a happy new year. Thanks for joining us again, Gary, and we look forward to seeing you on the very next Legal Break.